chicken recipe which I need to deliver before the end of the month. First of all, let's put on some olive oil on it, just like this, on the chicken. Roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, we're gonna put a bottle of hot pepper sauce on the chicken like this. You can go to any local shop and buy hot pepper sauce. Any local shop you can get it. 1 bottle of hot pepper sauce. In the bottle you got 220 ml. That's a bottle of hot pepper sauce. Second thing, you need to put on some garlic, fresh garlic, blended fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic. A little bit of meat season, teaspoon of meat season. And some chicken season, a little bit of chicken season, same thing, teaspoon of chicken season. All-purpose, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Teaspoon of everyday seasoning. Then next you get some fresh seasoning, spring onion, finely cut up. This is white onion. I'm using a medium-sized white onion, finely cut up nicely. Some fresh thyme. Nice and lovely. So if you don't want to take your missus out, here's a secret recipe. Some paprika. Teaspoon of paprika. Tablespoon. Teaspoon. And also a little bit of coarse pepper. I want to simply say to you, this is really spicy, guys. If you're going to use a hand, please wash your hand very carefully after you finish this recipe. It is really spicy and I don't want you to put your hand in your eyes. So what you're going to do, you're going to marinate this and put it down for soak. Remember, really nice. So guys, I want you to enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments. Now I'm going to just simply marinate it like this. As you can see what I did before, 1 bottle of hot pepper sauce, as you can see, red and looking really lovely and nice, and that's the red color we are looking for. Oh, you can smell that lovely scent of the chicken already. So if you notice, I leave the skin on the chicken. Normally I remove the skin from the chicken, but this time I'm gonna leave the skin on the chicken and marinate it. And I'm gonna put it in my fridge. I can freeze it and put it down before, and then you guys, right, if you want me to make it, I will definitely make it for you. So that's what I'm talking about right here. So as you can see, lovely and nice. So as you can see, the color of the chicken right there, guys, looking so lovely and nice. Hopefully you just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as I say, I use 1 bottle of hot pepper sauce on it and marinate it. You can put it on to soak for 24 hours and cook it the next day. So this is a spicy enjoyed the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye. Lovely. So right here I just wrap it and get a cling film all over it. Now I'm gonna just